welcome to Simplifying Tech and Programming. So today we are going to check about Spring Boot Hello World using REST application. For that I am referring my blog. The blog link is available inside the video description. You can refer this blog for more clear understanding. So let's start with what is Spring Boot. So Spring Boot is a build on top of Spring framework, which makes easy to create standalone and production ready Spring based applications ready to run. Most of the Spring need very little configuration. So inside this diagram, like Spring framework plus embedded HTTP servers like Tomcat or JT minus XML configurations or @ configurations is equal to Spring Boot. Means we don't need to do manually describe the configurations inside the XML files, and also we don't need to deploy application into external container. So Spring Boot provides its own container where we can deploy the applications. So main features of Spring Boot, like it integrates with the several frameworks in configuration management, logging and transaction managements, and mainly Spring Boot auto configuration. So in order to write our first application in Spring Boot, so we are using Spring provided Spring initializer. So for that I'm going to Spring website, that is spring.io. So we are taking help from Spring's website to create the sample Spring Boot application. So go to projects and go to Spring Boot. So here you can see 2.3.1 version is there. So below this, quick start your project Spring initializer. So this is the way to start our main or hello world application by using Spring Boot. So here this is the dashboard where we have to select the configuration for our project. So we have to select, like, this is Maven project, language is Java, Spring Boot version is 2.3.1. then project metadata, so add your artifacts here, com.package name. So I am adding my package name. Then here add your project name, Spring Boot Hello. Then packaging as a jar, version as a 8. Then select this dependency. So we have to select the web dependency. So yeah, so this dependency is selected. Say generate. So it is generating your project. Now your project is downloaded. So copy this, go to your workspace directory, copy here, extract it. So here it is extracted. So copy this path and import it in your Eclipse. So go to Eclipse, say right click, say import existing Maven project, say next, go your path, say enter. So here your POM file is generated. Yeah, so project is imported now. So you can go to pom.xml to check our dependencies are loaded or not. So go to pom.xml. Here you can see Spring Boot Starter Web. So this artifact we required in order to develop our Hello World application. Also it has provided Spring Boot Starter test. So this is JUnit library. So right click and say validate in order to check your pom.xml is fine or not. Yeah, so validation completed with no errors and no warning. So go to your package, expand it. So this is the main Spring Boot class where application is start. So this is the main annotation, Spring Boot application. So this will initiate your Spring Boot application. So for now we are going to write one REST class, and we can do the hello world, like we can say Spring Boot hello. So we have to create this class. Yeah, so this is the REST class. So we have to make one annotation, REST controller. Yeah, so we have to select this REST controller. So it is from annotation REST controller. Now simply we have to create one method, private string Spring Boot hello. So it has to return string, so say return. So here type welcome to simplifying tech Spring Boot hello rest. Okay, so for this we have to mention the mapping. So this is the get, so we are mentioning here get mapping. Yeah, so this is the get mapping. So you have to write your call details. So this is a rest call, so just write spring boot hello. Yeah, so that's it. So your hello world coding is completed. Now go to your main spring boot class and right click on this and say run as Java application. So currently what is doing, so it is deploying this application, hello world application, inside the inbuilt Tomcat container. So you can see Tomcat is started on port 8080 and started spring boot application in 7 seconds. So our application is deployed into Tomcat container of inbuilt spring boot. So now we can verify it. So you go to local host, go to your browser, type localhost 8080 slash your spring boot hello. Yeah, so we can see welcome to simplifying text spring boot hello rest. So this message we have given here in our rest class, like welcome to simplifying text spring boot hello rest. So this way we can able to write our application in spring boot. So more details you can find in my blog, like I have mentioned all each and every steps inside my blog with output and this. And also you can download this source code at GitHub, so link is provided into the blog and also in the video description. Yeah, so thanks for watching.